Good morning, everyone. I can see all of us are in today. So, welcome to today's session. You will allow me share my screen. There we go. I hope everybody can see my screen. Can somebody confirm whether you can see my screen? Yes, can you see my screen? Okay, thank you. So, today we are going to talk about the introduction to computer application and software. And we are going to focus on our two learning objectives or learning outcomes, which is by the end of the session, the trainee should be able to first define the term computer application, then secondly, identify and describe the main types of software. Those are the specific learning objects we are going to consider in this session. So to begin with, who can define for us the term computer application? Anybody? We can make good use of the chat section, or somebody can respond verbally. Yes, somebody who can define for us the term computer application. Yes, Lawrence. Yes. Thank you, Lawrence, for that trial. In short, a computer application is a program designed to help user perform specific tasks. Any program which allows you as a user to perform a specific task in a computer, that's a computer application. And we have different examples of computer applications, um, namely and not limited to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Google Chrome. We have WhatsApp, Zoom, and many others. You can mention some which you usually interact with in daily activities. Some of the computer applications you interact with, besides the ones that have just listed. Yes, class. Say something, say something. I can see people are responding in the chat section. Thank you. Lawrence, somebody else who can tell us some of the examples of computer applications that you usually use. We have stated some here, which we usually use. And all of us, I know we interact with Word, Excel daily, Google Chrome, WhatsApp, and the rest, and many others, which you usually use. So, a computer application we have said is a program that is designed to help us perform some specific tasks uh, in our computers. And we have listed some of these um, examples. So I would like somebody to help us define what a software is. What's a software? What's a computer software? Yes, somebody who can tell us what a software is. Anybody? Anybody? Yes, a software is a collection of programs and instructions that tells a computer how to perform a task. Those instructions which you give to a computer to perform a specific task, that's what a software is. A collection of programs. A collection of programs which tells a computer what to do. Program and instruction tells a computer what to do. That's what a software is all about. We have many types of software. Who can help us state some of the types of software that we have? Thank you, Fabish. We have application software and system software. Those are the main types of softwares that we have. So, class, I would like us to bring the system software. We look at what they are and what they comprise of. System software. These are softwares that manage computer hardware and provide a platform for applications. They manage computer hardware and provide a platform for applications. Some of these are examples of some of these of the system softwares we have is Windows software. We have Mac OS, we have Linux, Android device drivers, and many others. Not limited to this. These are the ones which we usually use to manage computer hardware and run some of the applications in our computers. And the functions of these system softwares is that number one, they are used to control hardware, manage memory, and run the computer. So that is the main function of the system software. It helps us control the hardware, it helps us to manage memory, and it helps us to run the computer. So swiftly, after system software, I would like us to look at the second type of the software, which we said the application software. Application software is a software which enables users to perform specific tasks, of which we have talked about. Some of the examples, the Microsoft Word, which will allow you type. We have Excel, which will allow you do some math, draw some tables, and etc. We have PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, which can enable you develop some presentation like the one we are using now. We have Google Chrome, which can allow you search the web. We have VLC Media Player, which can allow you play uh, some media in your computers. So those are some of the application softwares which we use in our daily activities. So, class, we have looked about the computer application and softwares. We have looked at various examples, and I would like somebody to tell us what we have learned in this session. What have you learned in this session? Yes, Lawrence. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Thank you, Lawrence. We can appreciate Lawrence through the reaction. We can react to what Lawrence has said. We can clap. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Fabish, for that. Basically, that's what we have learned today. We have learned that about the application software and the system software. We have looked at some of the examples and how we use these softwares in our day-to-day activities, the application and these softwares in our day-to-day activities. So we have seen that in summary, computer applications perform specific user tasks while system software operates the computer. So computer application helps to perform specific user tasks and the system software operates the computer. Application software helps us accomplish different tasks that we need to perform in our day to day activities. So that's what we had in our session. And I would like to leave this assignment to you to perform, to do before we meet in our next session. I would like you to research on the fields where computer application is being used. You do that research. When we meet next time, we can see what you have got. And this assignment is due 30th of June. So kindly make sure that you hand in your research in time. Thank you, and that's the end of our session today.